continuing the remodel of this apartment. In this video, we will replace this damaged pocket door lock. We're only looking at 4 screws, but it's important to mention what they hold and how they affect the installation if instructions are not followed, especially when installing the new one. The back 2 screws are actually holding the lock latch into the door from sliding out. The front 2 screws, which have a fine thread by the way, are holding the mechanism. All you need is a Phillips screwdriver for this. Looking at the new one, it's the same style that will fit but without a lock latch since it's not necessary for this hallway. And there's the 2 small wood screws that hold the latch plates to the door and from sliding out as mentioned before. The other 2 screws come already inserted to hold the mechanism in place and should not be taken out. Do not take it apart. A close-up glance shows the new one only has the pull lever, which again, it's used to pull the door from the pocket and without the lock hook that would latch to a strike plate. Although this old one has one, it was never used because the door jamb has no strike plate for it to latch onto. Let's take this old one down. Use a screwdriver to take the screws out. Now, the entire assembly should slide out once the 2 back screws are removed and the front is loosened. But I'm taking all 4 out to show a cutout. In other words, I am taking one plate off at a time so that it will show how they are held together into the mortise. After the first side plate is off, you can see the latch mechanism really well. Take the second plate off the other side and you can see the thumb latch knob on it. This engages the hook to lock and unlock. And the third piece is the lock mechanism, in which we do not have in the new one as mentioned. Now slide the whole new assembly into the mortise to assure good fit. You may need to loosen the 2 front screws more for it to slide in. After making sure the opening is the right size, you can install the back 2 screws that keep it from sliding out. But before tightening them, do the mechanism screws first. This will sandwich it tight into the door. Then tighten the 2 back ones, and that should do it. Once the door is in the pocket, push the top of the lever and it will pop out to be able to pull on it and slide the door closed. As I try the door, I'm hearing a heavy squeak from the track and it's not smooth sliding as it should be. I have a feeling I need to change the rollers as well. This door is from the 70s, made of solid wood. That's a lot of weight and they're probably the original. Well, thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you along the way. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. See the description for links of tools and materials used in this video. And you all have a great day.